In this video, we will turn this simple image into a deep blur background effect like DSLR. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Hey guys, Dav here from Adobe Vive YouTube channel. At first, select your image, make a 2 copy by Ctrl J. Now here I need to select this bird and branch. Rest all will go in a deep blur. So I am using Photoshop new object selection tool and start selecting. Photoshop AI process will automatically select this object. For branch, hold Shift key, use lasso tool to select it like this. Now put your layer mask and hit OK. Now go to layer 1 and hide layer 2 for now. Use lasso tool to select bird on layer 1. We are just removing this bird and branch from layer 1. Although we do not need much perfect, layer 2 will cover this spot and also blur effect. Now while layer 1 is activate, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur and increase this radius according to your need. I am keeping it 78%. Now use levels. Increase black level. Feel free and play with levels. Use curve, hold this point and follow the step like this. The background is looking nice, right? If you need to increase Gaussian blur, click on Gaussian blur and increase or decrease it. Now go to layer 2, use vibrance, make clipping mask so this vibrance effect only on bird and branch, not in the background. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vive YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on a next video soon.